2020 was a strange year for everyone. There's no doubt about that. Whether you had to pick up side gigs or rely on unemployment income or stimulus checks to see you through the year, all of those things can really change and impact your tax filing situation when you go to file your 2020 tax return. Now, it's clear that there's no one-size-fits-all tax solution when it comes to finding an online tax software. That's why for this year, we selected 12 different tax categories and winners for each of those categories to help you make the right decision for your tax filing situation. Hey guys, it's Justine with the College Investor Investing and Personal Finance for Millennials. In this video, we are covering the best tax software that you can get your hands on in 2021. And we are going to start with our overall winner, H&R Block. Now you are going to see H&R Block featured as a winner or a runner-up in a lot of categories that we're going over, but H&R Block has the most robust offerings, great price point, and the ability to go in-store if needed, which makes it an overall winner in our books. Now, let's cover the winner of the best free tax software. Now, the winner in this category is Credit Karma Tax. Free tax filing is actually somewhat of a unicorn. Even though there are a ton of companies that advertise free filing, there really are some fine print that you have to read through in order to make sure you qualify for truly 100% free filing experience. And you're going to see that with Credit Karma Tax because your federal and state returns are 100% free, and it covers a variety of tax filing situations. Our runner-up in this category is H&R Block, the free edition. So in their free edition, they actually do include a variety of different deductions, including student loan interest and unemployment income. If you have any of those situations, H&R Block free edition is the way to go. Our next category is the best tax software for maximizing your credits and deductions. And our winner in this category is Credit Karma Tax. You're going to see Credit Karma Tax pop up a lot in these categories because it's just a great experience, and you're going to see that no matter what types of credits and deductions that you may qualify for, it's going to keep you in that free version. Our runner-up is TaxHawk. So despite having to pay about $13 for your state return with TaxHawk, everything else is included, and you're going to see that this is a really great bargain for filing your taxes online. Our next category is the best tax software for student loan borrowers, and our winner for this category is H&R Block, the free edition. Now, I mentioned student loan interest is included in the free edition of H&R Block, but watch out if you have any retirement contributions or HSA contributions you are wanting to claim. That's going to bump you up into one of their paid versions. Our runner-up in this category is, again, Credit Karma Tax. Credit Karma Tax is coming in for the win, people. So don't overlook this system. It's really great experience. The dashboard is awesome, and you're going to see a lot of free deductions included with Credit Karma Tax. The best tax software for cryptocurrency traders, our winner in this category is TurboTax Premier. So this is a paid version, but if you are a Coinbase customer, you can import your forms directly into TurboTax, which makes it extremely easy and streamlined. There are calculators in there for you to help you understand exactly how much tax you are going to be paying on those things. Now, the runner-up in this category is CryptoTrader.tax. This isn't truly a tax software, but if you want to pay $49, that's going to get you the correct tax form that you need for your cryptocurrency earnings and all of those things that go along with it, so that you can use that form and input it into just about any tax software that's available right now. The winner for the best tax software for stock market investors is H&R Block Premium, you are going to be able to connect directly to your brokerage accounts and import those forms into H&R Block, and they're going to determine what kind of capital gains tax that you are going to be paying on your investments. And the runner-up in this category is TurboTax Premier. Now, both H&R Block and TurboTax are going to operate very similarly for stock market investors. However, TurboTax is a little bit pricier than H&R Block, which is why it's our runner-up. Now, if you are a landlord, the best tax software in this category goes to H&R Block Premium. They make it easy to understand what appropriate deductions you can take, and everything's written in plain English. Our runner-up in this category is TaxHawk Pro Support. It's not as easy to navigate as H&R Block, but if you've done this before and you want a bargain deal, it is cheaper than H&R Block, and you're able to file those Schedule E forms and get those appropriate deductions. Okay, if you are a side hustler and you are picking up side income, then the best tax software for you is TaxSlayer Classic. TaxSlayer Classic, extremely robust, great bargain deal. Now, the runner-ups in this category is Credit Karma Tax, which is going to give you that truly free experience. And then our second runner-up to that is H&R Block Premium. Now, if you are a small business owner in which you have a business structure and depreciating assets, then the winner in this category is going to be TaxSlayer Self-Employed. It's hands down the best tax software for small business owners. It has plenty of support and little info pop-up bubbles that are going to navigate and help you understand exactly what you can claim and how to input all of your small business information. The runner-up in this category is TurboTax's Self-Employed package. The only thing about this, though, while it is really easy to understand, they did do away with their QuickBooks subscription that was typically included in their self-employed packaging. So because they got rid of it, we included this as our runner-up. Now, if you're an experienced filer, you've done this a time or two or 10, the best tax software for you is going to be TaxHawk. TaxHawk is our winner in this category because the only thing that you have to pay for is that $12.95 state return. Otherwise, if you've done this before, TaxHawk is a great bargain. You're going to get in and out very quickly. Our runner-up in this category is, again, Credit Karma Tax. Now, if you have some complex filing situations, such as foreign income or a Schedule J form that you are needing to input, this won't work for you as an option, but because it's 100% free for your federal and state return, and it includes a variety of deductions, this may be the way for you to go. Our next category is Best Tax Support from the Pros. If you are looking for professional help while you're filing your taxes online, then our winner in this category is TaxHawk Pro Support. For just $25, you will be able to get unlimited phone and live chat support from a tax expert that is going to walk you through all of your tax forms. Our runner-up in this category is TaxSlayer Premium. They have an Ask a Tax Pro feature that you can access, and you can get audit defense support, technical support, all from a tax expert. If you are looking for best virtual tax preparation, then the winner in this category is going to be TurboTax. You can upload your tax forms and have a CPA do all of the work for you. And this is the lowest price that we've seen for this type of service. And our runner-up in this category is H&R Block. It's going to be a little bit more expensive than what TurboTax is offering, but it's going to be the same deal. Upload your tax forms and then have a CPA do all of the work for you. Now, if you are looking for a refund anticipation loan, then the best tax software for you is going to be H&R Block. H&R Block provides a loan advance up to $3,500 for your refund, and our runner-up in this category is TurboTax. TurboTax will offer refund anticipation loans up to $3,000. Now, we don't recommend using these types of loans, but if you are and looking for these types of options, those are going to be your two options, H&R Block and TurboTax. All right, so we've covered a lot of different categories, and it's clear you can see that there is no one tax software that fits all different types of tax filing solutions. You really have to pick and choose what works best for you and go with that. Also, keep in mind that prices on these different types of packages and offerings will change throughout tax season, so it's best to lock in those rates as quickly as possible and early on so that you can get the best deal. If you're still unclear about which tax software to use, or you have one in mind but you want to learn more, we have complete reviews and video walkthroughs of each of these companies at thecollegeinvestor.com.